Ready to unlock some serious dribbling magic and leave defenders eating your dust? Today, we're diving deep into the Elastico and Reverse Elastico in FC24. First, let's learn the Elastico. This move requires a player with at least 4-star skill moves to perform it. Flick the right stick clockwise, starting from the right, going up, and then left. Think of drawing a C with the right stick. See that again, right, up, then left. Practice this slowly at first until you get the hang of the rhythm. The faster you flick, the quicker the move will be executed in-game. Now, for the Reverse Elastico, which is the mirror image of the regular Elastico again, you need a 4-star skill move player. This time, flick the right stick counterclockwise, starting from the left, going up, and then right. Draw a backward C with the right stick. The key to mastering these moves is practice, practice, practice. Use them to cut inside, create space for a shot, or simply bamboozle your opponent. So, to recap, Elastico right, up, left, reverse Elastico left, up, right. Get into the practice arena and drill these moves, and you'll be leaving defenders dizzy in no time.